Hello! In this video, we are going to show you how to seamlessly use your Routie product to integrate your customer database with Zapier. This will allow you to move data from our database to your emailed client or other platform you are using. Let's get started. First, log into your Routie.io dashboard. Next, click on Settings. From here, you will be able to select the Zapier integration. First, click on Go to Zap. A new window to your Zapier dashboard will open. Select Create, then Zaps. Next, click on Trigger. In the Change Trigger pop-up box, type Routie in the search bar, and then select Routie from the list. Then you will need to connect whatever platform you are importing the Routie data into Zapier. This could be Constant Contact, Guesty, or our own database. You will just follow the instructions that Zapier provides for connecting your database to the other side of the Zap. When someone connects to your Routie captive portal, that data will get zapped from our database to yours. It's that simple, and that's it. You have successfully integrated Zapier with your Routie product. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Routie at routie.io.